Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I would like to share with you different ways to make money flexibly, in other words, while on your own schedule and that can fit in between classes, taking care of your children, etc. The first way, and these are all ways that I have personally and continue to use to make money flexibly in between work and school. The first way is to deliver food or groceries. And if you're going to deliver food, of course, there are many different options: Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, or ChowCab, as well as delivering food by being an employee or an independent contractor of Papa John's, Domino's, or any other company that offers delivery. And this way is definitely a flexible way to make money, but it can be hit or miss because with DoorDash, at least, what I like is that there is the hotspot feature. So once I deliver a meal in one person's home, I can go to the hotspot and wait there, and there's a steady stream of orders in that centralized area so that you do not have to just waste time aimlessly trying to find an order. And while this is flexible, of course, there are cons, such as you can spend quite a bit of gas, wear and tear on the car, miles, and exhaustion as well. The other option, as I mentioned, with using your car to make money flexibly is to work for Shipt. Shipt is a company that hires independent contractors like delivery drivers in order to pick up groceries, basically do the whole grocery shopping experience for a customer, and then bring those to their home and deliver them. I believe that all the orders right now are being contact free. That is how most of the other companies are doing it. No contact at all with the customer. And Shipt is a great service. Shipt, depending on the lines at the grocery store, depending on availability of products, there are some people that make $15 to $30 per hour, depending, of course, on how everything goes, how large the order is, etc. Another way to make money flexibly online is to take surveys online, complete free trials, search the web, complete offers, etc. One website I recommend that I've mentioned before is InstaGC. InstaGC is great, and it allows you to complete surveys, watch videos, complete free trials while doing that at the safety and comfort of your own home. And of course, with InstaGC, you can cash out via direct deposit, PayPal, gift cards, or Bitcoin. Another website that is great to make money online is Swagbucks, where you can complete free trials and surveys, etc. And you can get a variety of gift cards, but there is not a direct deposit option or Bitcoin option with Swagbucks, as far as I know. And of course, there's many different options that you can look at online and further research them. Another way to make money flexibly is to get paid to drive. Yes, you heard me correctly. There are many companies that advertise on individuals' cars rather than advertising in billboards or other more expensive forms. And with this, of course, comes the process of checking out the different companies and seeing which company but there are companies that are paying a certain amount of money for individuals who are driving a lot and live in a particular service area. But beware, I do highly recommend checking out the company thoroughly in order to avoid any type of scams, because there are companies that are not doing honest things with regard to that. Another way to make money flexibly is to write from home or create a course. Writing from home can be very lucrative And there are many different websites where you can post book reviews, movie reviews, legal and articles for different areas of expertise that one may have, as well as writing an ebook, which there are many websites that can help you write an ebook, get published, etc. And that's a way to earn passive income and build wealth. And of course, another way is, as I mentioned, to create a course on Coursera or on some other website online. There are ways to reach out to them, create a course. For example, if you are a nurse and you're an expert in infectious diseases, then they may want a course in that. And of course, people will pay $50 or $100 in order to complete the course with a certificate. And courses on Coursera are free if you do not opt for a certificate. All in all, I hope that these different videos and these different tips help all of you to learn how to make money flexibly and how to build your wealth. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.